everybody, I'm Jerome from B.F.A.M Cooking. Today we're going to cover a small little side dish that we like to have with several things like chicken, or you might want to have it with beef. You can get it at a nice steak restaurant like Teller's downtown in Islip. It is a potato dish, right? These are Yukon gold potatoes. We're going to make something most delicious that we learned about in Paris. It is called scallop potatoes. Now, I love this dish. Why? It is simple. It takes a minimal amount of ingredients, short amount of time. You just need the proper tools, which is be able to cut a potato very, very thin. I use a device you'll see later, but Yukon gold potatoes coming at you, scallop potatoes. B.F.A.M is here! B.F.A.M is here! Okay, everybody, we are about to go into an area which is extremely dangerous for you. This device is a mandolin. It's relatively cheap, but it is extremely dangerous. I would suggest to use this thing called the guard that comes with every mandolin. It is to cut vegetables very, very thin. We're going to be using our potato, the Yukon Gold potato. Now, I like this potato because it has the right level of starch. For this particular dish, you want the potato to be cut thin and then combined back with some items, some small things which we'll go over. It happens to be some heavy cream, and we're going to use some garlic, and we're going to use some nutmeg. We'll get it going in just a second, but I just want to make sure you go over safety. If you are using the mandolin, you should be using the guard. Please use the guard. I don't want you to lose your fingertips. That is, it's kind of silly to put your fingertips into the dish that you are making for your family. I prefer not to do that. You don't need to peel the skin off of this. It's going to be cut so thin you won't even notice it. And it has all the nutrition in the skin anyway. Yukon gold potatoes, mandolin, be very, very safe with it. Okay, here we go. Mandolin cutting. Actually, at first you just need to start and get anywhere near your thing. Cutting very, very thin. What's very, very thin? Let's see. That's about the thickness of a potato chip. Look at this. Look how beautiful they are. Nice and, whoa, nice and thin. Look at that. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Just storing them in some water on the side there until I finish the rest of them. Oh, pan of cooking oil. Save yourself some time. Use something that's going to prevent it from sticking. Heavy cream, you don't need much. It's very little per layer. A little bit of roasted garlic. This happens to be a little bit of salt that has a little bit of truffle in it, so truffle salt. Woo, that's got some fragrance. Doo-doo. Little nutmeg. A little bit. Okay, so we're going to make our decoration with our potatoes. We're going to scallop it. So we're going to place one row down, first row. The next piece should go halfway over the first piece. The next piece should go halfway over the last piece until you make it all the way across in a nice row. All the way across and slightly up the walls. And you'll repeat. Now you're gonna put it halfway across, halfway into the last piece. And just continue until you fill up your rows. Now you obviously can do this for a larger pan. In my particular case, I need for 2 people, and that's enough to make your first course. Then you're gonna put some more, a slight bit, like a teaspoon worth of heavy cream. And you're going to hit it with a little more garlic. And a little more nutmeg. And some salt. This happens to be a little bit of chocolate salt. And repeat. Okay, so you should preheat your oven to 375 and then install. I didn't really, I just turned it on and threw it in there. Scallop potatoes, potatoey, creamy goodness with a little bit of seasoning, perfect for you. You need to let this cool. Please let it cool or you'll burn your mouth. It is hot from the inside out. So you're looking at the layers. It should be nice and firm. Everything should be cooked thoroughly through. You should be able to run a little toothpick through it, make sure that it can easily slide. It is very creamy. It's got a little bit of that seasoning that you want. A little bit of salt. Perfect as a side dish. Scallop potatoes. You should try this. Thanks for watching B.F.A.M. Cooking. Like, subscribe, share. Check us out next time.